Hello, I'm Butch Salvador, owner of Car Magic and Street Smart Magic. 2010, I was already part of Go Negosyo. As far as I can remember, ako'y tinawagan ni Secretary Mon Lopez and he asked me if I can join. Wala pang gantong event noon. He just asked me to have coffee sa opisina, kwentuhan ng konti, then he asked me if I can mentor a friend na nasa car industry din. And yun, hanggang ngayon, friend ko pa rin siya, yung in-introduce sa akin, and I'm still coaching him with business. Ayun, doon nag-start lahat. And then these events came up, and yun, they invited me to mentor other people. Yung mas starstruck ka sa mga kapwa mo mentor, ano, yung makakasama mo sila, Sir Joey, Sir Richie, sila Sir Ismael, sila Sir Jerry. Yan ang ako talagang, kada magkikita kami na starstruck pa na ako hanggang ngayon eh. Parang I couldn't believe that I'm meeting these guys. So let me invite, kung kayo po yung negosyante, you have enough experience to coach ating mga micro entrepreneurs, mga nagsisimula pa lang, ito yung mga bagay na wala tayo dati, and let's give it to them para mas mapadali ang kanilang journey towards success.